Hello and welcome. You'll get the best results from this audio if you give it your undivided attention. Please don't listen to this at times when you need to concentrate and be alert to other matters, such as driving. This meditation will be good to do lying down. You may even lie in bed, or you may be lying in some room where you feel comfortable. Not be distracted, and just have a short 15 minutes to allow the body and the mind to unwind. So just find a position that is comfortable for you. Get as many cushions as you need. Support your neck, support your lower back, putting a cushion under your knee. Or if you're in bed, just wiggling around until you feel comfortable. Allowing the bed or the floor to support your body completely. And just become aware of your body for a moment. Just noticing how it feels, feeling the texture of the mattress or the floor or the cushions beneath your back, beneath your feet, feeling the cushion or the pillow beneath your neck. Just become aware of the parts of your body that are touching something and the parts of the body that are not touching. Let's bring your attention to your feet. Just noticing how they feel. Just noticing where the sheets or your socks or maybe just the temperature of the air touches your skin on your feet. Noticing how they feel after a day of walking, being in shoes. Just noticing any sensations in your feet and just allowing, just consciously sending the message to your feet that it's time to relax. And then, just noticing your legs. Just noticing, are they resting evenly? What position do you have your legs in? Are they bent or straight? How are they feeling? Noticing any nervous energy or tightness, any sensation in the legs, and just allowing all the leg muscles to relax now, sending a message that it's okay, it's time to switch off, and allowing your legs and your feet to rest heavier, being supported completely by the bed or by the floor. Just noticing your back, feeling any little aches or pains, noticing any tension or tightness, feeling how the back is resting. Are you resting evenly or leaning? Just noticing the whole of the back, the lower back, the middle of the back, and the upper back, and just feeling the effects of the day and allowing all those little muscles and the big muscles all around the spine to just start to unwind and relax now. Allowing the back and the body to sink deeper into the floor. Letting go of any need to hold on to anything. Feeling your back and your legs and your feet relax now. And just bringing your attention now to your belly. Just noticing how you're breathing. Can you feel any movement of the breath in the belly? Can you feel your belly moving up and down, rising and falling? Just allow that whole area to soften and relax. Notice if you feel like you were holding your breath, restricting it in any way. And now you may even take a deep sigh in your breath, letting go completely, and allowing the breath to soften into a relaxed, natural rhythm. Noticing your shoulders and relaxing them. Noticing your arms and your hands, where they rest, where they bend. Noticing your fingers and how they're curled. Noticing which fingers are touching and which fingers are spread apart. And just relaxing shoulders, arms, hands. Just giving the message that it's time to switch off now. It's okay to relax. Allowing your body now to feel heavy and soft and loose as it rests completely supported by the bed and mattress, the floor, wherever you happen to be lying. And just notice now the muscles around your face and your eyes. Just noticing if the eyes are shut tight, squeezed, if there is any tension or pressure in any of the muscles in the face, the jaw, the eyes, the forehead, and just allowing all the muscles to switch off now. Just feel any tension or tightness starting to drain away as you give yourself permission to let go and relax, allowing the muscles to soften, to relax, to be loose, and feeling now the whole of your face, your head, and your body relaxed. Perhaps you can relax even a little bit more, allowing the body to rest, sinking towards the mattress or the floor, heavy and loose. And just imagine that your mind now begins to follow suit. Right now, there's nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just like you were lazing around in a warm summer afternoon as you're lying in a beautiful, comfortable place. The perfect temperature, slight breeze across the skin, hearing sounds. You might even hear the sound of your breath. Just like that feeling when you have nothing to do, nowhere to be, and delicious feelings of just giving in, relaxing, letting go completely, sinking deeper into that relaxed, dreamy state. You're entering to the warmth, allowing all the muscles to be soft and relaxed, as if the tension has just been soaked up, seeping away little by little, and having in mind to gently let go, knowing that right now there's nothing for the mind to do. All will be taken care of in good time. Just allow yourself to breathe and relax, sinking deeper, relaxing willfully, letting go.